Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best adult tricycles that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best adult tricycles. Exercise is vital to keep you healthy physically, psychologically, and emotionally. Nothing does this best than cycling. It takes you places, makes you sweat, but doesn't put heavy stress on your body. Number 5. 26 inches Schwinn Meridian Adult Tricycle. Schwinn Adult Tricycle has been around for over 100 years, and it's one of the most trusted names. When it comes to the best adult trike, Schwinn also leads the competition. Main features: lifetime warranty. It's easy to assemble, convenient and durable. Number 4. Raleigh Bikes TriStar 3-Speed Trike. Is great for you if you are between 5 to 6 feet tall. Internally geared pivot to go over the bumpy roads, as this reduces the maintenance cost. Main features: it offers a 3-wheel speed. Major advantage is a comfort. Trike comes with a warranty. Number 3. Schwinn 24 inches Wheel Meridian Adult Tricycle. The trike has a low standover frame that is lightweight and easy to handle with innovative swept-back handlebars. Main features: maintaining an upright posture. Rims assure durability. Physical activity for your back. Number 2. Mantis Tri-Rad Folding Adult Tricycle. The Mantis is an inexpensive tricycle that is good for a lot of things, from biking around the neighborhood, going to the groceries, or going on a road trip. Main features: it is easy to transport. Storage easy. Basket is great for groceries and gear. Number 1. 26 inches Ken Valmeda Adult Tricycle. It is suitable for anyone looking to have stability and balance during their ride, which includes beginners and those just learning how to ride a bike. Main features: the saddle is wide enough. The frame assures durability. The 3-wheel makes it stable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.